Hey, thanks for watching Mulkey Films. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We enjoy making our videos, and we really enjoy it when people subscribe to our videos. We cover a lot of different topics on this channel. Subscribe now to show your support. Sit back and relax and enjoy this video on how to clear your check engine light on a Dodge Journey. Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today I got a check engine light on my 2017 Dodge Journey, and what I'm going to do is show you how to hook up so you can check that out. So today I'm using a OBD2 connector. This is from GoPoint Technology, and it's kind of an older connector, but still does the job. So here's the OBD2 end, and the other end, just connects to your old school 30-pin Apple connector, which I've got an adapter for, so I'm going to be using it on the iPad today. So anyways, let's go ahead and turn the car off. We'll plug in here and we'll check and see if we get a code. Okay, let's go inside the Journey here and we'll find the OBD2 port. Okay, so here we've got the steering wheel coming underneath right here on the driver's side, and bingo, there it is right there. It's a little hard to see, but that's it. So we're going to go ahead and plug in here. A little tricky. There we go. Alright, and plug the other end into my iPad right there. We go ahead and open up the GoPoint app, which let's see, we'll do this one. There we go, GoPoint Technology. We'll say it's the Journey, and it'll connect. Try to get the glare minimized here. Aha! It connected. Okay, we've got a check engine notification right there. We'll go ahead and hit it. Oh, okay. So I've had this code before. It's a very small leak in the evap system, and I think that's just from a loose gas cap or whatever. Got it once before, code went away for a while, now it came back. We'll go ahead and see if we can clear it, see if there's any pending ones. Looks like it's just a current one. And keep our fingers crossed here. Let's see if this works. Sometimes you'll hit the clear the light button and it'll just keep the code on there. Don't know if that's a Dodge thing or... Let's go ahead and try to clear it. Okay. Yep, okay. Well, we tried to clear it. Looks like it didn't let us clear it. But at least now we know what's going on. Go ahead and try it again. Well, this has been Mulkey Films. How to clear a check engine light, or check your check engine light on a 2017 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, click subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, send me a note in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.